up, everybody? Welcome back with Cooking with Chef Puck. We always bring you the good and tasty stuff. All right, today what I'm going to do, I'm going to be doing a simple Bloody Mary. All right, I'm going to be using this mix of Zing Zang. Okay, Zing Zang, 1 lemon, celery seed. I got some shish kebab sticks for garnishing, and also a celery stick. And also, I'm going to try to make it a meal, and I'm using shrimp. So, what I have to do with the shrimp, these shrimp here, I have them right now in my pot here. And what I'm going to do with these here, I'm going to steam them until they're done, and then chill them for the recipe for the drink itself. So, once I start steaming the shrimp, I shall return. All right, welcome back. Okay, so let's go on with the rest of the recipe here. All right, right now I have the shrimp in the pot here. I have it on the stove, and basically all you're doing is steaming your shrimp until they're done. You'll know when they're done because they become pink and opaque. All right, so let me cover them up. I put a little water in the pot, so let us do its magic. So I'll be right back. Okay, welcome back, everybody. Okay, I done steamed the shrimp. It took less than 5 minutes to steam these shrimp. All right, you see the color of them. All right, already turned off the heat, but I'm gonna put the top back on and continue to let them go. All right, so I shall return. All right, the shrimp are done. So what I'm going to do here now, I'm gonna run these shrimp. Excuse me. Oh, nice and hot and firm. See the color, very nice. They are done. So what I'm gonna do now, I am gonna shock these under cold water. All right, and let them get chilled. All right, my water is cold enough where it'll just chill them in the water. All right, so I shall return when we start to make the Bloody Mary. Be right back. We're ready to start building the Bloody Mary. All right, the first thing first. This is my first time doing this, but I want to put a video out there to show you how it's done with this mix. All right, there's one thing I don't understand. It says 4 parts of Zing Zang Bloody Mary mix to 1 part of your favorite vodka. Pour over ice, stir, and squeeze in lime or lemon. Garnish with celery stalk. All right, so I'm gonna do something a little extra. All right, first things first. I have some celery seed here in this little bowl here. All right, so I'm gonna rim the glass with the celery seed. So I have a thing of water here. And the celery seed here. All right, now this is going to be set to the side. Okay, now what else here? Now we're going to add some ice to my shaker. All right. Add ice to the shaker. All right, now for the Bloody Mary mix, I am going to add, I'm going to add the vodka first. I'm going to add 1 ounce of vodka. You can make it as strong as you want. 1 ounce of vodka. All right, then I'm going to add, I guess the 4 parts is 4 ounces. So I'm going to go with 4 ounces. Now, this is 2 ounces. And this is 4 ounces. 4 ounces. All right. So, you know what? We're going to double it up. We're going to double it up. So we're going to go with 2 more of these. So we're looking at 8 ounces of the Zing Zang and 2 ounces of vodka. All right. Now let me just get all this stuff out of the way. Of course, that is the way. This is the way. Like the Mandalorians say, this is the way. Now, what I'm going to do now, I want to shake. Cap. With a nice shake. All right. All right, now, let's get a pour. So, just about filled it up. Just about the right amount. So, my recipe is going to consist of 4 ounces. No, excuse me. 8 ounces of Zing Zang and 2 ounces of your favorite vodka. All right, you don't have to buy expensive vodka. It's just regular cheap old vodka for this here. All right, but like I said, I'm going to try to make it a meal here. So the Bloody Mary is done. Okay, get a little wipe up. Get this out of the way. All right, now it's basically garnish time now. Okay, so what we're going to need to do is get a nice lemon here. All right. All right. Nice. Let me get a little cut on the side. Boom. There we go. I'm going to get a nice good cut here on the lemon here. Let me set this to the side. And I'm going to go for the celery stick. Let's get a short one. All right. Give it a little chop. Get that to the side. Let me wash this off a little bit. All right. Celery stick goes in. All right. Now, I also have some black olives. All right. Let's see how deep it goes down. So, what I'm going to do, I just cut that lemon wedge. So, okay. Okay, lemon wedge. Okay, we got olive. Lemon wedge. Shrimp. Olive. Try to get it up to the top. Then we're gonna go another lemon wedge. Another piece of shrimp. And olive. Now what I'm going to do, see, like these shrimp are not seasoned. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to give them a little seasoning of lemon, fresh lemon juice. All right. And then we insert it. And there we go, everybody. This is my interpretation of a Bloody Mary. All right. So give me a minute. I'll return for taste testing. I'll be right back. Hey everybody, welcome back. We're cooking with Chef Puff. We always bring you the good and tasty stuff. All right, Bloody Mary. All right. I had to put a metal straw in it. I don't have paper straws or whatever straw, but I needed a straw with it. All right, this is basically a meal itself. You got the celery, you got the lemon, you got the shrimp, you got the olives, all right, and you got the Bloody Mary. So here we go. Oh, that's good. It's just refreshing. What I taste is, I don't taste the vodka, but I do taste the, like the Tabasco sauce that's in the mix, the tomatoes, some other stuff that's in there, but it tastes really good. And you get the taste of the celery. That is good, and it also gives you a nice good kick, like with the Tabasco sauce. So try it. You're guaranteed to like it. It's a little meal before your meal, or just a meal alone if you don't eat that much. But it's a fun drink to make. Try it. It's really good. Once again, give me thumbs up, subscribe, ring the bell, and definitely see you in the next video. And God bless you, and you have a wonderful day.